Bàbá olóyin, sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí. Ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again. I am Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Bàbá olóyin gan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesiota. My telephone number 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. You can also reach me on another number. You can reach me on another number 080 54 74 9455. That one is on the screen. 080 54 74 9455. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original TV, Baba Oloyin Original Television. I'm staying at Yesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Because after the program, some people used to call again, where are you staying? Where are you located? I am staying at Yesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, very close to Sango-Ota. Very close to Sango-Ota in Ogun State. And I get branches in Lagos State. Abẹ́tólókun delay mi kò lè sọnù. I get branches in Lagos State. Go to number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin, to get my products. Number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. You go to Bariga, number 36 Ilaje Road. 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. You can get my products there. I take go and see Ìyá Amúbọ̀. Ìyá Amúbọ̀. Ìyá, not Baba. A woman, elderly woman will sell my products for you. Number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Ojagodo Egbe. From Celeb bus stop Egbe, enter Maruwa that is going to Ojagodo. Agodo Egbe. So, number 2, Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. As of Ìyá Amúbọ̀. Yes, Mrs. Taiwo Ìyá Amúbọ̀. She will sell my honey and my bush for you. Today, I want to tell you just small thing you need to put in your pocket, or you put in your bag, or you put in your car. Safe journey. Nobody will attack you anyhow. Yes, it's for protection against motor accident, kidnappers, and all sorts of evil things. Get seated. I will tell you today again. But just before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books. Honor as a medicine. Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems book. I have other books. This is African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone, and distance is no a barrier. Distance is no a barrier. We can send the books to you all over the world if you can pay for delivery. Yes, or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, very close to Sango-Ota in Ogun State. Yes, now back to what I earlier said. This thing is called alligator pepper. Atari. Alligator pepper. Do you know, before you go outside every day, if you can open it, you take 7 seeds. You may hit it. If you don't want it to pepper your mouth, you can take 7 seeds. Take water to swallow it. No evil things will befall you that day, as God liveth. Yes. You put it in your pocket. It's going to work for you. Complete seed. Let it remain in your pocket. If a woman, let it remain in your bag. You know, sometimes you will be on monthly period. You can't touch it. Let one remain permanent in your bag. Wrap it with maybe one handkerchief. Put it in your bag. Don't touch it when you are on period. Put it there permanent. When you hold it with your hand like this, with your hand, with your body is touching the bag. phone snatcher will not snatch your phones. All these small boys that used to disturb people early morning when they are going to offices will not disturb you. Atari kiditi elabo. Yes. You hit it, you can hit 7-6, or you take 7-6 in your hand, use water to swallow. It will work. Then if you get the one packet, special one like this, another one, put it in your pocket always. You are a driver. Put it in your car. Put one in your car. You are a driver. You put it in your bus. You are a Okada man. You put it with your Okada. Atari iditi elabo. You see. Ọlọ́run ló láàbò. Security mi o. Ó bẹ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Yóò tún tọ́jú ara rẹ̀. Yes. Yes. Oorun ó lè kọdẹ. Security mi o. Ó bẹ lọ́wọ́ ọdẹ. Ó lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Ọ̀pọ̀ ló ń fẹ́ security lọ́wọ́ ọdẹ. Tọ́dẹ bá sùn lọ, security yẹn ti tán. Security mi o. Ó bẹ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Bàbá ọdẹ tó ń lọ ra mosquito coil. Ó lè ń gbowó lóṣooṣù. Bí wọ́n bá bi léèrè kó lè jà, á ní bóyá gbà tá a lọ tán. You have some people are collecting security money. When you ask them, some armed robber enter here, they do this. Maybe after we have closed. What time they do close? In my area, by 2 a.m., you will hear, Oshodi. And 1 a.m., some people are still coming from Lagos State. When will the security man go and sleep? Owó mugun, owó sàrà lẹ́ sá fúru. Ọdẹ tó ń ra mosquito coil láago 8 alẹ́, ó fẹ́ lọ sùn. Yes, try it. You will thank God. Before I go, I must thank those people that appreciate my work. And they are always giving me money. God will never let you down. God will not forget you. Thank you very much, o. Ẹ ṣé o. Èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi o. Èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi. Amen. God will say amen to your prayers. I never see how in my life. See, you used to watch my program for the past 5 years. So I've been giving me money on my super towns YouTube channel, both on PR0T TV and Baba Oloyin Original TV. Yes. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Mr. Akinola Adebayo, I never see him in my life. He's in America. Amen is in UK. Thank you very much, Esio. Ajumabi Okantanu. Ẹni Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣe ni ló ṣe lóore. Bọ́dà Kíìmù, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Thank you very much. Bọ́dà Kíìmù also used to give us money. Brother Stanley, last week, he still sent something to me. Mr. Stanley, God will never forget you. My only daughter in Belgium, I can't do a program without mentioning your name. My only daughter in Belgium. God will do you all your wishes. My only daughter in Belgium. Auntie Funke Doyin in USA, help me greet Daddy. Mommy wa ní Canada, ẹ ṣé o, help me greet Brother Gbenga. Asake Ame is in USA, First Lady Botanical Store, Asake Ame. God will never let you down. Ẹ ṣé o. Auntie Joy is in UK. Auntie Tina is in Italy. Thank you very much. Alaja Fatima Leke Aja, God bless you, ma. Ojú ìtòlódùmarè, ojú òní tí. Ènìyàn sálà sọ tèmi o, èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi. Ènìyàn sálà sọ tèmi o, èèyàn sálà sọ tèmi. Brother Mecca is in UK. But anytime is in UK. If you like today's program, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Give your comments on that comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you have never subscribed. Share among friends and relatives. You can also watch me on my other channel, PR0T TV. PR0T TV, and my son channel. Go and watch it. I used to feature there. Even we recorded one program yesterday. Go and watch Mr. Last One Comedy, and they will see. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.